Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I will tell you 10 lines essay about William Wordsworth. Number 1. William Wordsworth was a very famous poet. Number 2. He was born in England in 1770. Number 3. He loved nature. Number 4. He wrote many poems about trees, rivers and animals. Number 5. His poems teach us to appreciate the beauty of nature. Number 6. One of his most famous poems is called I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud. Number 7. He was a very influential poet. Number 8. He is considered one of the greatest poets of the Romantic era. Number 9. His poems are still read and enjoyed by people. Number 10. He died on April 23, 1850. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.